Hello, dear friends. This is Dr. Mohammad Aminul Islam. Welcome to my channel. In my previous video, I explained various aspects of adsorption kinetic and adsorption isotherm models. These videos have been very popular. Therefore, in this video, I would like to explain various shapes of adsorption isotherm model. This video is very important, so please do not skip. Well, the shape of the adsorption isotherm can be classified into four categories. Number one is L shape, Langmuir, S shape, LS shape, double plateau, and C type. Now let us consider this L shape. L shape curve is a common adsorption isotherm for dilute solutions on a solid liquid interface and can be described by monomolecular adsorption equation presented by Langmuir. And L-type isotherm indicate that the proportion of adsorbed increases more slowly as the amount of material adsorbed increases and are the most common isotherms obtained for crop protection products. Here is the typical L shape. Then comes S shape. S-shaped curve displays a small slope in the beginning followed by a sharp rise, whereas the LS-shaped curve shows double plateau. A more complex situation is represented by S-shaped isotherm. This was suggested by Giles et al. To rise as a result of previously adsorbed molecules interacting with the surface to facilitate greater adsorption of subsequent molecules up to a point at which the effect declines. Then comes LS shape. It shows a double plateau. Here is a typical example of LS shape isotherm. Then comes C type isotherm, which is proposed to indicate that the affinity of the sorbate for the adsorbent remains constant and that the number of adsorption site is unlimited. Here is a typical example of the shape of C shape. And here is the reference from where most of the informations have been gathered. And thanks for watching. Please do visit Aminulchem Innovation and don't forget to subscribe this channel for new videos.